Hi, in this sitting, I have 6 definitions for you, and I would like you to guess the word that fits these definitions. I'll give you a few seconds to think about them, and please put your answers in the comment section below, and I will go through each of your responses. The first definition is someone who does not show any form of pride or arrogance. One word I need. Number 2, someone who holds steadfast to his or her thoughts. Number 3, someone who sees his or her idea the right way no matter what. Number 4, someone who displays a great factor of courageousness. Number 5, someone who uses all of the materials around him or her to fix any problem. And number 6, someone who is easily deceived in any situation. Now tell me your answers in the comment section below, and I'll go through each of them and tell you what is the correct word for each definition. Thank you and bye.